In today's video, I will teach you how to make the Photopea interface larger. Let's get started. If you want to make the Photopea interface larger, you can zoom in or adjust the interface to be more compatible for your screen size. And here are some methods that you can use. First is using the browser zoom. Simply press Ctrl+ for Windows or Command+ for Mac to zoom in and make the interface larger. Then press Ctrl- for Windows or Command- for Mac to zoom out. You can also go to your browser's menu, which will be the 3 dots in Chrome and 3 lines in Firefox, and adjust the zoom level from there. The second method is adjusting the Photopea workspace. First, click View, then Full Screen in Photopea, or press F11 on your keyboard. This will make the Photopea window occupy the entire screen, maximizing the workspace. You can also manually resize the panels inside Photopea. Simply drag the corners of the panels, like the layers or the toolbar, to adjust their size and give more space to the canvas. You can also hide panels temporarily. Simply press Tab to hide all panels around your canvas and focus on the working area. Then press Tab again to bring them back. And the third method is changing the display settings. For Windows, simply go to Settings, System, then Display, and under Scale and Layout, increase the scaling percentage to make everything on a screen larger. Then choose 125 or 150% if you want the Photopea interface and other apps to appear larger. These methods should help you adjust the interface of Photopea to your liking, making it more comfortable to work with. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.